Hey there, Car Care Zone family. Are you tired of feeling anxious every time you take your car in for repairs? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that affects every driver. 15 car mechanic scams that everyone falls for, from mysterious brake problems to unnecessary flushes. We'll expose the tricks that some mechanics use to inflate your bill and leave you feeling ripped off. But don't worry. We'll also provide practical solutions to help you avoid these scams. So, stick around until the end. This could save you a lot of money and frustration. When it comes to car maintenance and repairs, many vehicle owners can feel vulnerable. Car mechanics are often seen as experts, and while most are honest professionals, a few bad apples have given the industry a bad reputation. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover 15 common car mechanic scams that everyone falls for. And more importantly, we'll provide solutions to help you avoid being taken advantage of. Scam 1. The mysterious brake problem. One of the most common scams is when a mechanic tells you that your brakes need urgent repairs. This often happens during routine maintenance, like an oil change, when a mechanic claims to have noticed a serious issue. Solution: always ask for specifics. Request to see the worn parts. If they suggest major work, get a second opinion from another shop. You can also check your brake pads yourself. They should have at least a quarter-inch of material left. Scam 2. The unnecessary flush. Mechanics may recommend unnecessary fluid flushes, such as for the transmission, coolant, or brakes. They often claim that these flushes are essential for your car's longevity. Solution: refer to your owner's manual for the recommended service intervals. If a mechanic suggests a flush outside of the schedule, don't hesitate to refuse or seek a second opinion. Scam 3. The check engine light scam. If your check engine light comes on, some mechanics will push for extensive diagnostic tests, claiming that they need to run multiple checks to find the problem. This can lead to hefty bills for services that aren't needed. Solution: use an OBD2 scanner, which you can purchase for under $50 to read the error codes yourself. This will give you a better idea of the issue before heading to a mechanic. Most auto parts stores will also check the codes for free. Scam 4. The tire pressure trick. Some mechanics may pressure you into buying new tires when all you need is a simple tire rotation or inflation. They might point out minor wear and tear to justify a new purchase. Solution: regularly check your tire pressure and tread depth yourself. Familiarize yourself with the signs of wear and don't hesitate to shop around for tire quotes. Scam 5. The free inspection that costs you. Some shops advertise free inspections, but then charge you for any repairs they recommend. They lure customers in with the promise of a free service, only to upsell them on unnecessary repairs. Solution: be cautious with free services. Always ask about the costs associated with any recommended repairs before agreeing. Get a detailed quote in writing. Scam 6. The misleading warranty claims. A mechanic might claim that certain repairs aren't covered by your warranty or that your warranty has expired, even when it hasn't. This tactic can lead you to pay for repairs that should be covered. Solution: know your warranty details inside and out. Always ask for documentation if a mechanic claims that your warranty doesn't cover specific repairs. If in doubt, contact your warranty provider directly. Scam 7. The quick fix that's not. Some mechanics might suggest a quick fix, like adding a sealant to your radiator or transmission, which can provide a temporary solution, but often leads to more significant problems down the road. Solution: be wary of quick fixes that seem too good to be true. If a mechanic suggests a temporary solution, ask for a detailed explanation and consider getting a second opinion. Scam 8. The overpriced parts game. Mechanics may charge you significantly more for parts than you would pay at a retail store. This can happen with anything from brake pads to batteries. Solution: research part prices online before going to the mechanic. Websites like Rock Auto or AutoZone can give you a good idea of what parts should cost. Ask your mechanic for the part number and verify the price before agreeing to the repair. Scam 9. It's a safety issue pressure. Some mechanics may pressure you into making repairs by claiming there's safety issues. While safety is crucial, this can sometimes be a scare tactic to push unnecessary repairs. Solution: ask for a detailed explanation of why the repair is a safety concern. If you're unsure, consult another mechanic or do your own research to understand the implications. Scam 10. The mileage misrepresentation. Some unscrupulous mechanics may alter your odometer reading or misrepresent the mileage on a vehicle, especially in used car sales, to inflate its value. Solution: always check the vehicle history report through services like Carfax before purchasing a used car. Look for maintenance records that corroborate the mileage. Scam 11. The "we only use OEM parts" lie. Mechanics may claim to use only original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts, charging a premium for them, while actually using cheaper aftermarket parts. Solution: ask to see the parts that will be installed and check for branding. You have the right to request OEM parts if you're paying for them. Scam 12. That your car needed this surprise. After a routine service, some mechanics might present you with a long list of repairs that needed to be done, often with inflated costs, taking advantage of your trust. Solution: request to see the old parts they replaced and understand why each repair was necessary. A reputable mechanic should be able to explain the condition of the parts in question. Scam 13. The emergency repair racket. In emergencies, people are often willing to pay more to get their vehicles back on the road quickly. Some mechanics exploit this by inflating prices for repairs. Solution: always have a trusted mechanic on speed dial for emergencies. Building a relationship with a reliable mechanic can help you avoid being taken advantage of during stressful situations. Scam 14. The unseen work. Some mechanics might charge for work they didn't actually perform, such as claiming to have done a complete inspection or repair. Solution: keep an eye on the work being done. If possible, ask to see the work in progress or for a detailed report of what was done. Scam 15. The warranty repair scam. Some mechanics will claim that a repair is not covered under warranty when it actually is. This can happen frequently with dealerships that want to charge for repairs that should be free. Solution: know your warranty coverage. Don't hesitate to contact your warranty provider if a mechanic denies coverage for repairs that you believe should be included. Bonus tip: when going to tire repair shops, stay there until the problem with the tire is identified. Learn how many punched holes are there on the tire, as some mechanics deliberately punch the tires to inflate their prices. Some tire shops even go as high as swapping tires. Navigating the world of car repairs can be daunting, but understanding these common scams can empower you as a car owner. Knowledge is your best defense against being taken advantage of. Always do your research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to seek second opinions. By staying informed and cautious, you can ensure that you receive fair treatment and quality service from your mechanic. Thanks for tuning in to Car Care Zone. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to avoid these common mechanic scams, you can drive with confidence. Remember, being informed is your best defense against unnecessary expenses. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more invaluable car care tips. Have you ever encountered a scam at the mechanic? Let us know your story in the comments below. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your wallet full.